Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I am having some rice with chicken gizzards, and there might be a heart in there from the chicken, and I cut up some of my home canned asparagus because 4 out of the 10 popped their lids for some reason several days later, so I put them in the refrigerator, and I chopped it up to put it in here so I didn't have any real big bites of anything except for the chicken heart and gizzards. I probably should have cut those up too, but anyways, so when I put it all in the rice cooker together so it would warm everything up and then cook the rice at the same time, the asparagus the chunks that I made kind of just shredded, so that's why it looks like that. And then I added some seasoned salt to it to give it the rice a little bit more flavor. But I did take a bite. It does taste really good. And this is my lunch and dinner. So I didn't feel like eating earlier, so I just had a cup of coffee. But this is what I'm having, and it's very, very tasty. This is going to be a meal that I will probably make again. Alright, everybody, so as always, may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing. May He keep you, your friends, and family safe. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.